Alright, welcome back. This is from Statpacks, as you can see here. I wanted to go over this bag with you guys. I actually have, this comes with two of these little adjustable pouches. I only have one on here right now because I'm using the other one for something. But as you can see, there's a small pouch in the front, and it's got a little bit of mesh pocketing going on inside there. Nice for smaller items. It's got the usual Statpacks loops on the front here, so you can clip things to the front, and then more mesh pocketing going on the inside here, as well as a zippered mesh pouch right here. So it's really, this was initially aimed at like athletic trainers and stuff. That's why it's called the G3 Competitor, but it's really useful for any number of kind of low use where you're going to have low use items in, for example, a backpack or at a secondary location, and where you want to have some immediate care items with you on your person at all times. This one obviously is black, so you know, for a tactical environment, things like that. I actually do use a similar product right now with my work with the tactical team. Fanny packs are really, really useful. I'm bringing back the fanny pack, guys. And as you can see here, this is where the second of these modular pouches would live. Normally, it just velcros off, and then it's just a small pouch on the inside with a little retaining clip. I use one of these to store my narcotics. Well, there's another front pouch as well, by the way. But yeah, I use one of these to store my narcotics so that I can keep them separate but still attached to something. I find that to be quite useful. You could definitely do something like that with these on here. You can move them around. There's not a ton of attachment points for them. You can go on the side wings here like they come, and that's kind of it for this particular layout. However, it's easy enough to attach this just to a belt directly or something like that. For example, for narcs, if you wanted to be able to set this down somewhere safely, that's a way to do that and retain possession of your narcotics at all times, because as we all know, that's the thing. Standard nice solid buckle here. This is, I don't know what brand this is, Ujin, but good solid buckle, just like all the other Statpacks stuffs. There's these other little wing pouches on the sides, which if you're wearing it, you'll have really easy access to. One's Statpacks branded, and the other's just plain, as you can reach down in front. For some quick use items, I think a tourniquet might fit in here pretty nicely. Possibly even a smaller sand splint, something like that. So, as per usual, it's a Statpacks wipeable, cleanable material. I'm a big fan of that because you don't have to worry about splashing something on it and then not being able to get it to come clean. It's not really waterproof, but it is resistant to splashes and spills. So, again, I'm a big fan of Statpacks stuff. As you guys know, I got this one as a sample from them. They were kind enough to send it over. So let me know if you have any questions about it in the comments below, and I'll be doing my best to answer those. Otherwise, you guys have a great day. Stay safe out there.